Hello, my beautiful people. Thanks for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for the previous video. If this is your first time here, I recommend watching the last video where we talked about the story of McDonald's. Now, let's put your learning to the test. Was the first McDonald's opened in 1955? No, the first McDonald's was opened in 1940 by the McDonald brothers. Did Ray Kroc invent the original McDonald's system? No, it was created by Richard and Maurice McDonald. Was the first franchise McDonald's opened in Des Plaines, Illinois? Yes, Ray Kroc opened it in 1955. Did the McDonald brothers use a slow, gourmet cooking method? No, they used a fast assembly line system. Is Ronald McDonald a character designed for teenagers? No, he was designed to appeal to young children. Can you find shrimp burgers at McDonald's in Japan? Yes, they have unique items for local tastes. Does McDonald's only exist in the United States? No, McDonald's operates in over 100 countries. Is the Happy Meal for adults? No, it is specially designed for children. Did Ray Kroc sell milkshakes before joining McDonald's? Yes, he was a milkshake machine salesman. Has McDonald's ever appeared in movies and pop culture? Yes, it's a big part of American culture and media. Make sure to watch this video a few times to strengthen your memory. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you're ready for the next video in this amazing series about learning English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.